peace and quiet of the old mainline canal in Albury, West Midlands. It's amazing. We have the M5 just literally quarter of a mile, if that, over there. And we've got the busy 4034 going into Albury there. And it's bank holiday Monday, so it is quieter than normal. As I say, it's amazing how you go and stand over there, it's quite noisy. But once you come down by the water, and how peaceful and tranquil this place is. There she is, bless her, or he. And we have George and Mildred, two Canadian geese that have moored up here. They were doing a bit of a mating dance earlier on, doing it all in time, and he tried jumping on the back and she wouldn't have it. Well, it's that time of year being, mate. Oh, got more fly over. It's a real pleasure working down here, and I've got the gaffer with me today, so I better crack on. I had a thought last night after I finished that bit of filming. The two posts that were originally there. Oh, by the way, gaffer's here inspecting the work.
How's that?
Is it alright? You'll tell me later. But I had a thought, I cut them down, and this morning I put them there behind us. Go on, Oz, out of the way. I'll finish off this section. I can come off here. Now I'm using 12mm ply down there, but because this is more bendy, I possibly might use 6 or 9mm ply to board this, so it'll be easy to bend. We'll see. We'll have a discussion with Paul Wood, my chippy in residence. But I put these in there, they're drilled, screwed together. I'm going to put a batten, cut some batten to go in there and there, just to keep it in support. And then possibility of one batten there to there as well. And then 6mm plate up. That one first fed in, and then this one up. And it's going to be some weird angles, and I'll have to do some very careful studying and scribing, but I know my mate Paul Wood will be there assisting me in advice. So next mission there is going to say put a batten in there, one up the top there, one up the top there, and that's fantastic. And then we'll crack on with cutting the surrounds out of that. So, you alright, mate?
Sarah puts the book under her arm and raises her hands
So
of her headscarf. Her eyes are
down periscope. That Malcolm Hatch is brilliant. I think this is where my bed's going to be, so in the summer, and open, nice fresh air coming in, all the flies and the midges coming in as well. Anyway, moving on, we have got the framework now established in place. I've also put the batten across the top there, been thinking about making the surround for that. It's going to be a long, hard work. It's not straight. You're going to try and put a flat surface on it, and it's not. It's going to just pull it straight out. So plan C, because plan A was to make a complete, get a complete plank and drill a hole in. Plan B was to cut 2 or 3 halves sections out to go round. Plan C is to put a batten straight down there, and link up in the middle. Then when it comes to putting the timber in, you cut the hole in the timber and then put a lip actually onto the timber. Put a lip onto the timber, plus onto, and then get a very thin, either bit of plastic or ply. Yeah, a thin bit of plastic or ply, and cut it to the right width, and then just bend it round and tack it in place. So you just make a complete loop, cut it so it loops in the middle, tack it onto the bit of timber that's going to be here, 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 here. Oh. I thought we had a boat going by, but I know. Helicopter. Sometimes you can't hear the boats coming and you just hear a gentle and then the boat starts rocking. So that's plan C. So next job I'm going to do now is put the buttons down into that one, then that one, and that one. Lovely jubbly. You going to go and put the kettle on, Alice? Good lad. Got to get him to do something. Archer's on at the moment. It's 2 o'clock. Got the frames cut and bolted together. Just waiting for the paint to dry. I say paint, it's the fence Ronto one coat fence life. If it does so good out there, it'll do so even better in here. Just to give that extra protection with any condensation and moisture behind the timber. But we'll get that done, and then hopefully, I'm always saying hopefully, we might get that boarded off today, insulated and boarded off. Go on, bugger off. It's one thing when it's all peace and quiet, stood by the canal, and then in the distance you hear a pop, 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 and you turn around and see a classic tug coming up. What a wonderful life. You don't mind interruptions when you see a lovely setup like this. A working boat, still working hard. Oh no! Lovely day. How are you? All right? Howdy.
Stupid thing is that all this could have been avoided if not the statement had been right in the first place. It's not as if they weren't justified in sinking it.
Exactly.
You don't mind being interrupted by that.
It wasn't out on a day's picnic. Why dress
Time
it
is
up?
getting on, but I've been cracking on since that tugboat went past. I've put the frameworks in. 1, 2, and 7. Wait, 7. 3. Also, I've put beading along the top there, so that can be all married up and screwed too. Same along there. Oh, you already know that.
So after the Korean War, this was kind of seen as a poor
Throw me out, that is. Carry on. Along there and there, and put them sections in there and there. So we're roughly round about to have a look at that 6mm ply to see if it's flexible enough to be put in and screwed into that one. So, but first I think I might fire up the Jenny and give it the place a bit of a clean out. What do you think, Oz? You gonna vacuum up? End of Bank Holiday Monday. Another great day creating and building stuff. Framework in, buttons all the way around, so when the ply goes in it's got something to screw to, all the way along the front and down that side again. Aussie's roof is looking brilliant. Ceiling started with about 4 or 5mm ply to do the front board. Got it more or less to fit. The next thing I want to do is mark out for the portal. How to do that? Well, I weren't too sure, so I asked my mate Paul, and he said transfer that onto a big piece of cardboard, fit it in, cut out minor alterations so the cardboard fits snugly, then poke a hole roughly where the window is, and gently work your way out, gently work your way out till you get the right size diameter hole for the porthole. Then mark, of course, front, back, left, right. Take that out, gaffer tape it, well, masking tape it to your plyboard, gently mark it out, drill a hole, jigsaw, sand it down, job done. Any minor alterations you need to do with the cardboard, you can sand it down, ply it down, and then job's a good one. Make sure it fits. Then we'll get the insulation stuffed in again, and then in, screwed. Oh, not forgetting, paint the back of it. Put a bit of protection on. Give the back a bit of a paint. So yeah. So I might be enjoying these bit of vlogs that we're doing, if that's the technical word for it. I'm enjoying it. I'm making us laugh. So next time, hopefully next Saturday, that's the plan, we'll be doing another one. Look after yourself. Stay safe. Ta-da, beach.